In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and shop efficiently on the Banana Republic website, which is a fantastic destination for contemporary clothing for both women and men. Whether you're looking for something stylish for yourself or searching for a perfect gift, I'll guide you through the process of enhancing your online shopping experience with Banana Republic. To get started, open your preferred web browser and type in Banana Republic's official website address. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by a sleek and modern interface designed with user-friendliness in mind. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage's layout. You'll notice the featured collections and special offers that Banana Republic has on display. This is a great place to begin if you're seeking inspiration or want to keep up with the latest trends. Once you've explored the homepage, it's time to delve deeper into the shopping experience. Pay attention to the navigation menu, which typically rests at the top of the screen. This menu categorizes everything neatly, be it menswear, women's wear, or various accessories, ensuring you can find exactly what you're looking for without any hassle. Feel free to click through these categories to get a sense of the available selections. Now, when you find something you like, simply click on the item to view more detailed information, such as different color options, a range of sizes, and a comprehensive product description. If the product checks all your boxes, you might want to give it a try. At this stage, add your desired item to the shopping cart by hitting the Add to Cart button. Once you've added all the items you wish to purchase, it's time to proceed to checkout. Hover your cursor over the cart icon, usually located at the top right corner of the page. A drop-down may appear showing a brief overview of the items in your cart. Click on the View Cart or Checkout button to be taken to your cart summary page. Here you have the opportunity to review all selected items, adjust quantities, or even remove items if you've changed your mind. Make sure everything is as you want it before you proceed. If everything looks good, move on with the checkout process by following the site instructions. You'll be asked to provide shipping details and select a payment method to complete your purchase. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you're all set to enjoy your new Banana Republic items. Thank you for joining me in this easy-to-follow guide on shopping at Banana Republic. With these simple steps, shopping online becomes an enjoyable and straightforward